We are going to work on finding the area of a circle. So I have my lovely circle there. And what we need to do is remember what the formula is. So when we see area of a circle, we will see this formula. Area equals pi times the radius squared. Now, reviewing, the radius is the length from the center of the circle to the outer edge. So this is our radius. And if we were given the diameter instead, that is the length of the entire circle all the way across. So we're going to do two examples of finding the area of a circle. So we're going to say that our circle has a radius of 5. Okay, so if we are given the radius, we are going to do area equals pi times the radius squared. Now, one more thing. Pi, we are going to use 3.14 because we want to make this as easy as possible, and we don't know what kind of calculators we all have right now, so we are just going to use 3.14 for pi. So when we type this into our calculator, we are going to do this. Instead of pi, we are going to do 3.14. Then we are going to multiply it by the radius, which is 5, and it's the radius squared, so 5 squared. You could type it in as 3.14 times 5 times 5, because 5 squared is the same as 5 times 5. So now, let me see if I can get my calculator up here. Okay. So we're going to do 3.14 times 5 times 5. Oh my goodness, it's hard to do this when it's so small. Now, the reason that I'm doing it that way is so that I don't have to worry that I'm typing my exponents in incorrectly. I don't have to worry about trying to find the correct button. 5 squared is the same as 5 times 5, so I can just take the radius times itself and then multiply by pi. So when I do that, I get 78 and 5/10, or 78.5. Let's make that look nice. So that is my area. Now the other way that you might see this is, let's say we are given a circle. Come on, circle. There we go. Let's say we're given a circle, and this time we are told that the diameter is 5. Now, the formula uses the radius squared, so we still have to find the radius. So, if the diameter is 5, the radius is half of that. So the radius would be 2.5. Sorry, I'm running out of space there. So this time, instead of doing the diameter, we have to do that radius. So we're again going to do the same thing. Remember, area equals pi times the radius squared. We're going to use 3.14 times, and then we are going to do times 2.5 times 2.5. So back to my calculator, I have 3.14 times 2.5 times 2.5. And our area is 19.625. 19 and 625 thousandths. So that is my area. So when we're thinking area of a circle, remember to use that formula. Area equals pi r squared.